you're a queen, a king, put your hands up. If you're a queen, a king, put your hands up. Cause your girl is back with another wig review. So today I'm gonna be reviewing a headband wig. I don't know if I ever said this in my videos, but like I live for the headband wigs. Like it's so easy. Like I'm not even gonna hold y'all. Like it's so easy to just, all you can just do is just put it on. Like when I put it on in this video, like y'all gonna see how easy it is to just put on and go. Like literally put on and go. You don't have to do nothing. Just put the wig on, attach everything, make sure the combs are secure, and go. That's it, literally. And you can style it the way you want to. You don't have to worry about your edges getting damaged. You don't have to worry about none of that. You don't have to worry about gluing, bleaching the knots. You don't have to worry about nothing. Just slap that on. So today I'm gonna be reviewing a company called Jessie's Selection. Look at the boxing, okay? And if y'all don't know this, my favorite color is black and gold. I don't know if you can see that picture right there, black and gold. So I live for this. So Jessie's Selection.com. And it comes in this cute bag, y'all. Like this is so cute. Like I can use this for other things. Like this bag is super cute. So the box came in the bag like this. Let me show y'all. Okay, tell me the packaging ain't cute, okay? And I'm gonna be using this bag because this bag is super cute. So in the box, what came inside the box was literally, so this is the inside of the box. It has like, you know, barcodes of their website and the YouTube and their online site and their Instagram. And then on the inside, some more information. It just talks about, and this is Brazilian. This here that I'm gonna be, the headband wig I'm gonna be trying is Brazilian, and it's 180 density, and it's 24 inches. And I'm gonna be reviewing their water wave headband wig. So about to show y'all. So this is how it looks. It's super soft. Like look at this, okay? Let's smell it, because we got to make sure like the hair don't have a smell. So it don't have a smell, it just smells like hair. But I think it's just super pretty. And oh yeah, I forgot to say, this also came inside the box, so you get a free bonnet. So I was like, let me put this on because I got my wig cap on. So let me show you. It comes with a bonnet and it just says Jessie Selection. It's black and gold. Okay, I love this. Is super cute, and it's big, so you can put it on with your headband wigs if you want to sleep with it. You can wear, you know, just put this bonnet right over it. Even though it's a wig, you gotta still treat it like human hair, because it is human hair. So you still gotta sleep. If you sleep in it, you still gotta use, like, you know, wear silk bonnets or have a silk pillow just to keep the hair soft and so it doesn't get dry and tangly. You still gotta condition it. You still gotta wash it. But I just like threw that bonnet on the floor. All right, so this is, so it comes, let's see how many combs, because I always tell y'all like that's super important, because there is companies that only, it comes with 2 combs, but we need 4 combs. So if it have 4 combs in it, you gotta get it, because that means like you want this headband wig to be super secure. Like, so this does have 4 combs, so that's a plus. That's a plus in my book if it has 4 combs. So this is the inside, and you see a headband wig. It comes with a headband attached to it already right here. So we're gonna put this bad boy on, see how it looks. Wait, hold up, man, this hair is really soft. Like these curls are so beautiful, and there's no frizz. Like sis, hold up, I'm feeling myself, y'all. Let me, like, just give me a minute. I feel like it'll look super cute straight, y'all. I feel like I should straighten it. Like, ooh, imagine it straight. Like imagine it, the hair straight. Ooh, it looks, man. Let me show y'all the back. Ooh, I'm feeling myself. And the thing also about headband wigs is that you can put it in ponytail and you don't have to worry about, like, you know, people like knowing that that's a wig. Like headband wigs are super natural. Like you can do so many different, like you don't have to keep it like out all the time. It's perfect for the gym. Like you want to put your hair up like this. Let me show y'all. Hold on, I gotta make sure the combs is secure in the back so I can put it up. I can show y'all. Man, I'm feeling this hair, y'all. So like I recommend this hair. Like I recommend this hair 100%. This hair is super stuck. I love this hair. But yeah, so I definitely recommend, like I always say, the headband wigs. With the headband wigs, I always recommend them for like everybody, not even just beginners, even people who have wig experience. Like I have wig experience, but like if I want to wear a wig and like I need something really quick and fast, I pick headband wigs automatically. I pick a headband wig out. I don't like pick, like I still love my frontals and closures, but when I'm in a rush and like I'm like trying to be on a go and something really quick, the first thing I pick is a headband wig, because you could put a cute headband with it. You can do like so many different styles, put it in ponytails with it, especially like, you know, days where I want my edges to breathe. Headband wigs is perfect, so your edges can breathe, your hair can breathe. It's easy to put on and take off. Y'all see that it took like less than 2 minutes to just put this headband wig on. So I feel like everybody needs a headband wig in their wig collection. Everybody. Like I have so many different textures of headband wigs. Like I love me some headband wigs. This is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like y'all already know, like I love doing wig tutorials. Not wig tutorial. Well, yeah, I love doing wig tutorials and I love doing wig reviews. Love trying different hair and showing y'all different textures and different styles. Like I love it. So y'all better get it. Y'all better get this headband wig, okay? And if you don't want this texture, they have a whole bunch of other textures on their website. And y'all see, the quality's bomb and the fullness is bomb. Like I said, 180 density. Like, how could you not? How could you not? How could you not? And also, by the way, I'm 5'5", and this hair is 24 inches. And y'all see it, what's the length on me? So like I feel like if it was straight, it would like go down to like above my butt. But it's still kind of close to my waist too, even though like it's curly. But yeah, so thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. I love y'all. I really do. Like I love everyone that's been supporting me and continues to support me, like my videos and comments. And don't forget to follow me on my social medias. It's all in the description box below. The link for this hair will be in the description box below. All the important stuff, the description box below. But bye.